Since the market is heating up once again, and how will it impact the market value of Shiba Inu? You can't afford to miss this video if you have any interest in Shiba Inu or if you own any SHIB tokens. I'll be responding to these queries and providing you with all of the recently released price-boosting Shiba Inu facts in today's video. Since I spent a lot of time researching for this video, please make sure to watch through to the very end to avoid missing anything. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. Let's first examine the chart to see what the price of Shiba is doing on August 2nd before moving on to our issue. The cost of a Shiba Inu is now around 1550 units. The price of SHIB has decreased by 2.5% during the last day, with $262 million worth of trades during that time. With a market valuation of more than $9.1 billion, the token is now ranked as the 15th most valuable cryptocurrency. Please remember that by the time you see this video, some rates may have changed. This is not investment advice. Let's start the video for today. Shiba Inu, a cryptocurrency with a Dotty theme, has performed much better despite recent price drops, as seen by the turning of numerous important measures. This positive development in the popular meme currency may signal a possible price rebound from unfavorable tendencies. The stats for Shiba Inu indicate good momentum. The second largest meme coin by market capitalization, Shiba Inu, has seen a notable increase in a number of important indicators, indicating that market mood may be changing. The combined 7-day volume of Shiba Inu's big transactions with a value of $100,000 or more has increased by an astounding 430%, reaching $32.5 million, according to the block data. Into the Block has marked the cryptocurrency as very positive, emphasizing a 0.22% improvement in its net network growth, based on Shiba Inu's network growth and significant transactions. The daily Shiba burn rate of Shiba Inu has increased significantly and is another important statistic. Over 2.37 million SHIB have been moved to dead wallets, according to Shiba Inu, whose burn rates have increased substantially by 73.3%. Furthermore, during the last 30 days, Shiba Inu's exchange net flow has seen a considerable increase in inflows over outflows, according to statistics from CryptoQuants. This encouraging finding suggests that self-custody techniques may replace centralized exchanges in the future. Prior to this, Shiba Inu had a sharp decline that peaked in July when they fell by almost 10%. Furthermore, a number of significant crashes in the cryptocurrency's main measures highlighted its poor performance during periods of market turbulence. In June, Shiba Inu's open interest fell by 40%, from $135 million to $80 million. Prior to this, the daily transaction on the Shibarium network also plummeted by around 50%, which led to a decrease in the price of SHIB. Less than a million SHIB tokens were burned, indicating a 98.79% decrease in SHIB burn rates, which continued the downward trend. The recent favorable shift in Shiba Inu's main KPIs offers fresh optimism for a large price recovery for the coin, especially in light of the severe struggles the company has endured in recent months. Cryptocurrencies based on memes are often vulnerable to small fluctuations in the market and positive trends. A bull run for meme coins might be unanticipatedly sparked by a favorable change in market sentiment, while a negative trend could possibly result in significant depreciation. Shiba Inu's price has dropped by 5.76% in the previous 7 days and by 5.22% over the last week, even though its important indicators have recently increased. Conversely, Shiba Inu's better stats might indicate that a comeback is imminent. The well-known meme currency continues to have an optimistic view from crypto exchange Changely, which projects that by August, its price would rise from its present level of 1,600 units to 2,630 units. It would be really appreciated if you could click the like button if you were still watching. It is completely free and really helps with channel support. However, stay tuned for the most recent Shiba Inu news and developments about the Shiba Inu currency. The Shiba Inu flame never stops. Will improvements to the Shibarium network lead to a price increase? The token burn technique of Shiba Inu is a methodical approach. The developers of the well-known meme currency Shiba Inu have been regularly destroying tokens by sending them to an unreachable address. Over 178 transactions last month resulted in the destruction of approximately 380 million SHIB tokens due to this technique. Remarkably, over 70 million tokens were burnt on July 11 and then 60 million more on July 22. Even while these statistics seem high, their corresponding value in US dollars is still rather low, particularly in light of the 58.5% reduction in token burn data from June before. Key performance indicators. Shibarium Network and Relative Strength Index. The Relative Strength Index, a technique for calculating the velocity of price fluctuations, is one important indication. SHIB's RSI is now centered around 30, indicating that a correction may be overdue and that the token is oversold. Furthermore, Shiba Inu's Layer 2 blockchain solution, the Shibarium Network, is always evolving and becoming better, which points to a bright future. Shibarium was introduced about a year ago with the goal of improving the Shiba Inu ecosystem's general scalability, transaction speed, and cost reduction. Shibarium just achieved the barrier of processing more than 6 million blocks, which is a major advancement in the technology. Now for the major narrative of today's video. Price analysis of Shiba Inu Shib is facing a $100 million sell-off as bulls attempt to hold onto its 1,500 unit support. Bulls of the Shiba Inu retreat, or 1,600 units. It was anticipated that Donald Trump's recent attendance at the Bitcoin Nashville conference would boost investor confidence in the cryptocurrency sector. Though the meme coin sector seems to be solid, recent market patterns indicate that investors' attention has been mostly concentrated on the mega-cap assets this week, battling to get momentum. Since the news cycle sell-down that coincided with the Ethereum ETF's July 22 debut, negative traders have dominated the short-term market momentum for Shiba Inu. Due to the increased volatility brought about by the ETF's debut, cryptocurrency investors are now approaching Ethereum-hosted assets, such as Shiba Inu, with more caution. Bears have added another wall worth $100 million. From its monthly time frame high of 1,800 units on July 22 to July 31, the price of SHIB had dropped by 19.18%. According to market statistics, short-term traders seem ready to give up on the token in favor of assets that are doing better. This pessimistic perspective for Shiba Inu is further shown by data from Into the Block's exchange order books. A sizable sell wall is evident in the exchange order books, which evaluate the flow of buy and sell orders. At an average price of 1,700 units, traders have placed orders to sell over 5.9 trillion SHIB, potentially amounting to a sell-off of over $100 million. On the other hand, just 3.4 trillion SHIB have been ordered by potential purchasers. This difference suggests that the market is oversupplied with around 2.5 trillion SHIB. According to the basic principles of supply and demand in the market, an excess of an asset usually results in a decrease in its price. Furthermore, during the previous week, competitor top 20 cryptocurrencies, including XRP, BCH, and ETH, all surpassed Shiba Inu. This discrepancy in performance implies that short-term swap dealers could be more likely to liquidate their holdings more quickly and reinvest the proceeds in assets that have done better over the course of the month. SHI pricing projection bulls to protect 1,500 units in assistance. The pricing performance of Shiba Inu in July 2024 reveals a 19% decline in the latter part of the month. Bulls made an effort at a comeback in the middle of July, rising 58.9% in only 11 days, but they encountered stiff resistance at 2,151 units. This degree of resistance continues to be a crucial obstacle to any upward advance. The Donkin channel illustrates the narrow trading range that SHIB is now trapped in, with an upper boundary of 2,151 units and a lower limit of 1,578 units. With immediate resistance around 1796 units, the price is now trading around 1600 units. The upper DC barrier at 2150 would be the next goal for the bulls if they could break over this resistance. The Dankin channel's lower limit, or 1578 units, is the location of the key support. To stop additional declines, bulls must hold this support level. A breach of this support might result in a more severe drop, perhaps reaching the level of 1400 units. Because they trust the Shiba Inu developers and the true worth of SHIB, many of our subscribers remark that they will not be selling SHIB for the next 5 years and will instead keep millions of them. What many of ones do you guys have? Remember to provide a list of your SHIB holdings in the following comments area. Let's give the SHIB Bureau credit for having faith in the procedure. If you find the video entertaining, please subscribe to the channel, give the video a large thumbs up, and share your thoughts on the Shiba Inu token in the comments section. In order to get updates whenever we upload a new video, don't forget to enable post notifications.